everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, let's talk about a tiny function of our EPS mode. We call it gun limit. The EPS filling gun held in my hand is a Germany type EPS filling gun with shaft diameter 50 mm. The length is 300 mm. The gun head is 24 by 21 mm. We welded a gun limited into the mold so that the worker can be more efficient in assembling and disassembling the EPS filling gun to the mold. Quick achieve the gun surface same as the mold surface. It could save a ton of time. Now let's see the whole video. If you want to know more video like this, or if you want to see more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please hit the notification bell to stay part of the conversation. I'll see you next video.